Hi guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. I'm your gardener friend Ruchi, and today I want to give you an update on the succulent leaves that we had planted in a shallow planter. So we had all these succulent leaves and we dried them in shade for a couple of days so that the callus forms, and then we placed them in a shallow planter with succulent potting soil mix, and we kept it inside for a few weeks so that the leaves don't dry up, and I kept on spraying them once in a while. So 4 weeks have passed now, and this is how our planter looks. So most of the leaves, they have started developing roots and some leaves. A couple of them have dried away. I think those were the ones which were shriveled to start with, but otherwise every leaf has a root, and some of them have leaves also. So I kept this planter on my south facing windowsill, and it gets a couple of hours of direct sunlight and lot of indirect sunlight, and as you can see that the all leaves are growing well. So about 2.5 months have passed, and our leaves have been growing, and you can see that now they're forming into plants. So each leaf has, a few plants, actually a few stems coming out of them. So jelly beans have the leaves coming out, and the ghost plants have the leaves coming out, and even these burrow's tail, they have these leaves coming out. So you have to be patient with this, but the result is in front of you. They grow very well. So you just plant the leaves and you just forget about them. Keep watering them, spraying them, and this is how they grow. So, a few leaves had dried up, and so there was some empty space in the middle of the planter. So I added a couple of stone crop leaves. You can see in the middle those hairy leaves, I added those so that, there's no empty space in there, and they've been growing. So I was really getting sick of watching them every day and saying that why are they not growing? And for 3 months every day I was watching them, and when they were dry, watering them and all those things. But then I got tired of it. As I said, it takes a long time to grow these. So then I just put them outside when because all the leaves were growing well. So they didn't need that much of attention, so I put them outside. I kind of forgot about them, and then in a few months I went back, and my god, I was taken aback. Look at this, it's looking so pretty. And the the colors, that there were 4 or 5 types of leaves in there, and they are all different colors. So these green hairy ones, these are the stone crops that I had added 2 of them. When there was empty space in the middle, so they are growing very nicely. The jelly beans, shiny and rounded, they look very different. And the burrow's tail, of course, they grow very slowly, so they are still very, very, very small. And the ghost plants, even there you have multiple colors, like this is more pinkish, and this is more grayish, greenish. But all in all, now it's looking perfect. As it grows more, it will probably even look better. But even now, it's looking so beautiful. So yes, I mean, you can grow these succulents from leaves, but it requires a lot of patience. So the best thing is that you you lay the leaves down in a planter, and once they start to grow a bit, when there is no chance of them, I mean less chance of them drying up or anything, then just leave them in a place where they get a little bit of water every now and then, and they'll just grow. They take their time, but they just look so beautiful. I'm happy to see this planter. So I hope this video was inspirational to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.